Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today I have this icy blue winter look for you. I hope you will enjoy. I'm going to start with foundation and I'm using the Kryolan sticks to mix up a shade. So I'm adding this to my face with a sponge. Just using lighter shade under the eyes just to get rid of the dark circles. Now I'm going to contour, taking the darker shade and also the sponge. I'm just going to add the darker shade under the cheekbone and also on the jawline. And I'm gonna bring it down to the neck. I'm also going to put some contour around my hairline. Now I've mixed in some of the white with my light colored paint stick. And I'm going to use that to brighten up some areas. So I'm just going to use it in the middle of the forehead, on the chin, and under the eyes, in that triangle shape. Now I'm going to use a liquid highlight for the cheekbones. And this has a blue tint to it. I'm putting it really high up on the cheekbones. You need to really work that in as well to become a part of the foundation. Now I'm going to use some loose powder to set under the eyes and next to the nose where you don't want any shine. I'm also going to go on the smile lines and the middle of the forehead. So that's just to take away the unwanted shine from the face. You can also set where you have the contouring if you want to. For the eyes, first I'm going to add some translucent powder to them. Just because the shade that I put on next, I don't want it to be overpowering. And sometimes if you have too much foundation on your eyelids, this could happen that the next shade you put on will grab too much and just show up very badly. So I want to add this blue right here. It's a shimmery blue shade. And this I want to add onto the eyelid, close to the lash line. I'm gonna blend it out very high up onto the eye. But first I want to get it in between the lashes. And this is where having that loose powder on the eye is going to help you, because now you can blend out this shadow. And if you wouldn't have a powder on the eyes, this foundation is quite thick, so what would happen is this wouldn't blend out, it would just get pushed around the eye and it would eventually crease. I'm going to grab this highlight shade. This is a true blue highlight shade and it will look very nice on the eyes. I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm just going to add this to the eye all around, even on top of that blue. So I'm going all the way almost to the eyebrow with this. And this gives it a very cool icy effect. I'm going to take a pencil brush with the same blue highlight and I'm just going to add this into the inner corner, the tear duct, and a little bit underneath. This is a very cool effect, this highlighter on top of the eyeshadow. Very icy blue. I'm just going to flick away any fallout. And I say if there's any blue that you can't flick away, just embrace it and say that it's supposed to be like that. I'm also going to take a little bit of that icy blue to my cheek. But just make sure you don't put way too much, because this can be very, very, very sparkly. So I'm just taking my powder brush just to blend this a little bit. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Also going to add this to the cupid's bow. And I'm also going to add a little bit to the middle of the nose and to the tip. Okay, I think I need some lashes to decide if I need to add any darker shades around the eyes just to accentuate. So I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm gonna add some mascara. I think I need lots of mascara on the bottom just to balance out the eye. And I'm going to add big fluffy lashes on top. And if you would like to know how to apply false lashes, I do have a very in-depth video on that, and I will link it for you so you can go and watch. I think I also need some big eyebrows with this look, so I'm going to use a pomade. I'm going to add lip pencil to my lips. So I added some definition to the lips, but I'm going to use a clear gloss on top. So I'm using MAC's lip gloss. Okay, I think the eyes need a tiny bit of definition, so I'm going to use brown pencil just on the outer corner on the waterline. So this looks immediately better. I don't look like a cartoon character anymore. I also used a tiny Swarovski crystal on each side of the eye. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, subscribe to my channel. And I'm also using the same brush because I'm too lazy to wash them all the time. That's actually true. Highlight, mustache.